Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland Edition. This one is customized. This one's in maximum steel metallic. We have some Cooper Discover AT3 4S's with some black Rhino rims, 20-inch, and matte black. This one has some customizations in it. It has wrapped door handles, roof rack, and we got the Jeep mud flaps. Around back we have some more black badging on here. This is all custom. This is on the second level of the suspension. Let's go ahead and take a look inside the car. Before that, I do want to point out this does look a little purple and some indirect lighting, but right now you might just see blue or black with some speckles. All right, and this one's pretty special. So you do see the saddle brown leather with the navy blue on the armrest. You'll see that trend follow along on the seats here. Go ahead and hop in. We do have some gray husky liners. Why don't you give us a tour of the interior?
Well, hello everyone. Welcome to the new Jeep Grand Cherokee 2016 model Overland. So as you can see, this one actually has the indigo. Well, actually, I think it's like more like a indigo-ish leather color in the middle here, and it's like kind of outlined here and then in the middle with the brown leather. So it's two-tone, and then like a white outline as well on each seat actually though. All four seats actually here. This trim I think has about it's just under the Summit trim here. So the only thing this actually is missing is the perpendicular auto parking for you, and the adaptive cruise control. I think the safety package, which adds the what's it called? Oh my god, the freaking
blind spot mirrors.
Yeah, blind spot, and also the indicators on the mirrors as well. That's the only thing is missing. Otherwise, I think it has just about every option there is though. It also has the tow package there as well in the back. I think it's missing the tow package on the front though. As you saw, I think with the but we have paddle shift on the for that package. Got that package on there for you, and new sport button. So I think before I actually had a 2015 model which had the electronic one, was kind of like went back and forth like that. This actually has the traditional shifter in here now. It adds up here the sport mode button and the eco, but I think by default it's always an eco unless you want to turn it off. So you do this and you turn it off. Auto start, which is really annoying. I don't like it honestly, so I always have it off. The 2016 is where they first added in here. Now you can actually change around the buttons here. You can play with them. You can move around if you hold it here. You can place it here if you wanted to as well there. Just around. It's pretty awesome. I love that new feature. So what I do, I keep it. I'm going to be changing it through seasons. So right now it's going to be hot outside, so I'm going to make mine here with the where's it at? Driver, where's that? I don't see it. Driver vent. I'm putting that here now. So easy to get to now though, okay? Awesome sauce. This has also the Harmony Kardon system here for the stereo. It's got the memory seats for the driver 1 and 2. But you also still again get the panoramic sunroof here, so you get the sunshade closes here for you.
It's pretty massive.
Yep. So it fully opens up though. So in my search for a new vehicle, I did actually find out that like BMWs actually they open pretty far. Actually, on the BMW panoramic sunroof, you get about this much more space actually back here, and it's a really wide opening panel though. This is a good amount though, but they actually open up a lot more. I almost bought a BMW, but I decided to stay with Jeep actually though. And the crossbars actually are from Jeep. It's an install feature actually there though, so it's not aftermarket. Those are pretty nice. One thing I will note, actually I've noticed actually is a slight like whistle because of those from the wind actually though. So it's not too loud, but you gotta hear it actually. It is there though. I do hear it, but it's actually manageable though. Also, if you see here the I don't know if this is leather, this plastic, whatever it is though. This actually still is blue, and the actual dashboard itself is actually brown. Actually, nice combo. And this is it might be real wood. It looks nice actually. Not bad wood there.
Feels like real wood.
Yeah.
See some imperfections.
Well, I guess it's like laminated probably.
Yep.
What? This also brings in the as 4-wheel drive with the Quadra 2 system though. So the Quadra 2 is gonna add in there for you. Quadra regular has the this year. Quadra 2 is gonna add in there for you for the lifting and suspension and the air suspension for you. Okay, so you get park, the regular level, off-road 1, off-road 2 though. Right now we're off-road 2. If you guys want to see it, you can hop out and see where that is.
It is on the level 2 setting. Do have about 2/5 length of clearance. Guess that's the same about in the front. Yep, a little bit over 2. Gonna pop the rear. See the same seating applies in the back here, same color. And we check the front. Is it lowered?
As you can see, it's lower in the off-road 1. Right, so it's off-road 1. And then, yeah, so I won't allow you to actually, when you're parked though, to lower it. You have to close the doors first. And this will be like the regular standard, like, you know, driving the height it'll be in though. And when you park, there's one more setting to go down actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, one more level down. So there's actually a feature where you can put it like it's like an easy exit. It'll the driver's seat, because it's a memory function though. It'll raise the what's it called? It'll push the seat back and also raise the steering wheel, because it's an automatic tilt as well. And then it'll also lower the car for you as you get out, so that way it's easy to get out of there.
Yeah.
And this is.
I believe this is the parking one, right?
A little more on. Yeah, but it's just about there, honestly, though. So that's pretty low, so you can get in and out easily. So it's pretty awesome there, though. I love these actually.
You do get an automated hands-free liftgate. And
then on here, we also got the the Jeep ones here. I think we can buy from the dealer or online. It's the Jeep branded car cover. And then in here you do also get
full-size spare.
Yeah, full-size spare.
Oh, nice.
And this is the I don't think you ever used
stock one.
Yeah, it's a stock one from Kumo. So get that one, because I think the standard tires on Jeeps are going to be Kumo.
Check that out. The privacy cover is actually in navy.
Oh yeah,
it's a black.
So it matches the whole car around this. And it actually is a pretty rare color to kind of find actually though. I
see the plastics.
Cover. Yeah,
plastics are still navy. I'm impressed.
Yeah, definitely, and I'm a fan of blue. That's why I want to find these actually too. It's pretty awesome. And so here, and obviously the flashlight, I don't think it actually works though, but.
Forgot to mention the Harman Kardon system. I think it's a Harman Kardon sub rack here.
Oh yeah, pretty awesome.
There's a flashlight there too.
Oh, the headlights? The
headlights, yes.
Well, you can't really see them though, but yeah, definitely gets a good amount brighter actually on the road without even putting the fog lights on. It's got just about every feature they offer almost though. Like I said, besides the adaptive cruise control and the oh, you know what? I lied to you. There are indicators in there though. My bad. It doesn't have the blind spot package. It's a safety package. It doesn't have there. Correct. Otherwise, every option's on here. So right now we're riding off-road 2. It's pretty good actually, better than on my previous 2015 model. It's not. It's like it was very loud actually though. This is a little quieter actually, and it's not too uncomfortable actually in this actually. And I believe you can ride in off-road 2, as you can see here, up to about probably like I think 25 miles per hour, 30. We'll see. Oh, we're gonna lower this a little bit though.
It does get a little bit bumpier on the higher one. Is it still going up?
No, it's going down.
Okay.
Okay. Give it a moment. It was saying like, dude, we're too bumpy here. Chill out. I'll lower when you stop. Alright, so we're on off-road 1 now. You can't really tell it's an off-road 1, I'm not gonna lie to you actually though. It's lifted, but it's not bumpy really though, and the car is still pretty doable, you know? And we're going through some bumps here. You don't really feel it. Yeah, you really don't feel it honestly though. There's no way. A nice little dirt road. I think definitely the car feels very comfortable still even on this old dirt rocky road. You don't feel a lot of the rocks actually though. You don't even know. We got a nice little bump coming up here for both tires. Boom. Yeah, didn't feel much of that though.
Cool.
All right, here we go. On the road impression, guys. Here we go. Awesome. As you can see the wheel articulation here, and then on this feature, it's kind of like a mini off-road map in the cluster here. You can see what ride height the cart is in here now, and you can also see the drivetrain as well here, though, where the wheels are turned out. There we go. So also, one thing they actually added for this year. You can actually see the song you're playing in the cluster now though. Before it would just say Bluetooth, which kind of made no sense at all. But now we have the feature in that you can see what you're playing though. You can't really do anything in here with it, but you can just see what you're playing now, which is still a good option. As you can see, it's a decent camera. I wouldn't say it's amazing though, but you can see well enough, honestly here. Not amazing, but the only other thing you can't do is you can't see, oh, it stays on actually for a little bit. So that's another feature actually is updated from 2015. It actually cut off though. Yeah, it probably cuts up around 10 miles per hour. Why is sport on? What the? Calm down.
Some good acceleration.
Yeah, a little rolling start for you there. Yeah. There's a regular V6 model here, not a V8. Yeah, I got time for that V8 build there for the gas. I'm on the cheap side. I'm frugal. So right now, I think in my driving, I'm pushing a little more on the gas just for the review. But typically I'm getting about 18-19 miles per gallon. This is a 24.6 gallon tank, so just about 24-25 gallons at this hold. So I think the range, typically even my old car, I was getting about between 400 and 450. I think the max I maxed out of me a couple weeks, I was being very conservative. It was about almost 500 miles per gallon for the one tank though, which is pretty good actually though.
Turns pretty well.
Yeah, definitely very, very good in turns. It's a very comfortable vehicle. This, I think, for Grand Cherokees, they definitely cater to that market of you know, off-road capability with luxury as well, and inside there as well. It's a good package. It's very hard to find that. You know, I was shopping for a new car. I was looking at Touareg, and this car was basically the best I could really do for the off-road capability and luxury together. They do a good job. But unfortunately, they stopped making the Touareg in the U.S. In 2017 was the last model year for that car. It didn't get all the off-road capability that you can get in Europe though, so it's kind of hard to compete with the Grand Cherokee, honestly, for the luxury and off-road capability and all that the versatility in there honestly though. So the only thing that Touareg has in there is like an off-road switch. That's all it has though. You don't get everything with the different modes here or the adjustable suspension yet though. You get it in Europe but not here.
It's definitely comfortable.
Without a doubt, yeah.
Maybe a little bit less with the 20-inch wheels compared to the 17s you had.
It's comfortable enough, actually, though. These are some good tires. They're not too loud, honestly. They're not loud at all, really, honestly, though. Either they're still ATs. They're pretty quiet, actually, though. I mean, you hear a little road noise, but like definitely for all-terrain tires, like the way these are, they're very, very quiet. Remember those other ones I got that one time, and they were so loud. Yeah. I thought I was in a Wrangler, honestly. This car is not a sports car at all. It's not like, you know, sport oriented really though. It has a sport button, but that's just kind of like for show, honestly. Taking the turns like I know at like high speeds is not for this car. It may flip, I don't know. I wouldn't really try it, even though I have kind of tried a little bit though. But yeah, no, it scared me a couple times though. So definitely agility, not this car really though. It can do a little bit, but not at high speeds.